What did you say? It
Whis-
better not. It better be some water up in that piece.
Nope, it's whiskey.
With a little bit of what?
Mango. Mango tango.
What you call that drink?
What?
The whiskey with a little bit of mango.
My
Wango
mango
tango?
tango. Cause
You silly
Cause it make me
Willie.
do the tango.
Free button. Uh-oh. What's going on? Oh, there's a dog over there. Go get your BB gun, Bronx. Go get your BB gun. Which one is the new one, Bronx? Who?
It's the guy that has that truck over there. That
What
lives
guy?
over there.
What guy? That lives over where?
Neighbors to John and Becky.
Next to... Oh,
That's his dog.
that's his dog?
Yeah.
Cause his ass was about to get popped.
He has a nice dog too.
Yeah.
See, Dad?
Uh-huh.
He has one of them. Dad.